today I have a different type of video for you. No DIY projects, but I have a haul for you. JCPenny recently had a 50% sale off all of their clearance stuff already, and I had to go check it out. So I took both of my daughters and myself. We were there for like 2 hours, and I was able to get a few pieces. There was a mess everywhere. I feel so bad for the people that work there because, I mean, it was just terrible. But I was able to find a few pieces, and so if you want to see what I got, well, then keep on watching. So for my first item, I have this great t-shirt. It's a little sporty. The things I liked about it is that one, it's one of my favorite colors, and two, the fabric is really soft and it's breathable, something I really like. Also, the detailing that it has on the side where you can scrunch it up or have it a little bit lower down, whatever you prefer, is really cute. I really liked that detail of the shirt. For this shirt, I paid $4.04. The original price, $27. So for my next item, I have this white button-down shirt. I really like the material on this one as well. It was really soft. The only detail it had, it's a little bit sheer for my liking. However, once I got home and I tried it on with the right bra, you couldn't even tell. So that was awesome. The price that I paid for this one was $8.36, and the original price was $44. So for my third piece, I found this denim jacket in my size. It was the last one. I have been looking for a denim jacket for the longest time, and I can never find it or find one that I like. When I saw this one, it was the last one. It was meant for me. I grabbed it. I ran with it. I only paid $9.59 for this jacket, and the original price was $64. So I found this cardigan in my size. It was also the last one, so I was really excited. I love the color, dark green and a little splash of black here and there. I also like the details, like the pockets to the side, the nice little hoodie in the back, and I also like that it's really nice and stretchy and it'll keep you warm. For this cardigan, I paid $5.18. The original price was $36. So I've seen all of these sweater dresses that everybody's wearing, and I thought they were so adorable. So I've been wanting to find one for myself. And when I tried this one on, I really liked the way it fit. It wasn't like, it fit in all the right places. It was tight where I wanted it to be tight, and it was loose where I wanted it to be loose. I also like the hoodie part. I like the, the pockets and the detailing on the top. I really liked it. It is a little bit short for my liking, so I'll probably put some biker shorts on with this, sneakers, and I'm out the door. So for this one, I paid $6.79, and the regular price was $34. So this sweater cardi was actually my first find, and I really it caught my eye just because of the color. Mauve pink is like one of my favorite colors. Like all of the things I got were because they're my favorite colors. But yeah, the first thing I noticed when I tried it on, it was that it's not itchy. I don't know if you know those sweaters that you put it on and just itches. This did not itch, and I loved it just because of that fact. And I also like the pockets to the side, and I also like that it's big, but it's not overly dramatic big. It's perfect. I loved it. So I paid $5.24 for this, and the original price was $42. So for my last item is this really beautiful pendant. I was actually in search of earrings, but I did not have luck with the earrings, but I did find this pendant. I really liked it because I'm thinking of layering it with all my other necklaces that I have. And yeah, it was just really pretty, so I had to get it. The price that I paid for this was $6.74, and the original price was $54. Alrighty guys, so that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down at the bottom. Also, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and do that down at the bottom as well. And don't forget to hit that bell so you can get my notifications and you won't miss any of my videos. Also, my daughters also have a YouTube channel. It's called Sister Mania. It's a lot of kid-friendly videos. So if you have kids and you're looking for a channel for kids, that's the place to go. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.